Hey everybody, in this video we are looking at the next three examples, numbers 10, 11, and 12 in this set of practice problems for 30, 60, 90 and 45, 45, 90 triangles, also known as special right triangles. So I'm going to be less detailed in each of these videos. This one here, number 10, is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. That makes this side my short leg. Then my long leg is over here and my hypotenuse is over here, and that's the one that's given. I'm starting with h, the hypotenuse. So the rule is that the long leg is equal to, in terms of s at least, L is equal to s root 3, and the hypotenuse rule is it's equal to 2 times s. So being that I'm given the hypotenuse, I'm going to find the short leg first. So to find the short leg, basically we use the h equals 2s, and all you do is you fill in 6 for the hypotenuse, divide both sides by 2, oops, and we get that s is equal to 3. There we go. And okay. And from there, we can figure out what L equals by filling in S. So I'm going to take my equation for L equals S root 3. So 3 root 3. So all I did was I filled in my short leg into that equation, and that gave me the length of L. And that's all. Oh, I'm so sorry I was not on the screen before. My apologies. I wasn't looking up. So that's number 10. And I guess I could circle it because it's a bit right there, right there, and right there. All right, let's look at number 11. Number 11, we are looking at another 45, 45, 90 triangle, isosceles right triangle, whatever you want to call it. The rules are that this side is L for leg, and the hypotenuse will equal L root 2. So those are my rules. Now I know that L is equal to 5. So that means that my other L, my other congruent leg, will also equal 5. And then that means that H has to equal. These are always really easy when you're either given the leg of an isosceles right triangle 45, 45, 90, or if you're given the short leg of a 30, 60, 90. Those are always like the easiest, everything just falls right into place. Well, h equals 5 root 2, and we have nothing to clean up, rationalize, simplify at all. So we are good to go. That's number 11. And done with that. Okay. And there we go. Right there. Okay. Next up, number 12. Here we have another 30, 60, 90 triangle. This is my short leg. This is my long leg, which equals short leg times root 3. So this will be a more interesting example. Whenever you're given a side that has a radical in it for the formula, it's a little, more work. And then here, my hypotenuse will equal 2s. So how am I going to do this? Well, first I'm going to use the long leg side, 12, L equals 12. Sub that in over here for the L equals S root 3. Solve for S, then I'll have what S equals. And once I know what S is, I can solve for H from there. All right. So 12 equals S root 3, divide both sides by root 3. And we're going to rationalize our denominator. So we're going to multiply 12 over root 3 on top and bottom by root 3. So really the in-between step is I get 12 root 3 over 3, which leads me to S equals 4 root 3. Of course, we always simplify because, we're responsible students. So 4 root 3 is S. There we go. Okay. And then next up, let's do the next one. All right, now we find H by filling it into the formula we have right there to us. So not so bad. All we got to do is H equals 2 times 4 root 3. Oh, let me cut off too much. So H equals 8 root 3. Do I have anything to clean up? Anything to simplify? No way. We are good to go. So there we are, all done. So these are the 3 examples. Oops, I just didn't draw a box around that one right there. So if you want to find any other examples in the pre-trigonometry unit, go ahead and check the playlist or check the description box below, which I will be adding to the more videos I upload. I have a ton of trigonometry playlists. I've been making them for many years, so feel free to go exploring. You could probably teach yourself a ton of trigonometry by just poking around through those videos. There is so much content on my channel for that. Thumbs up for the bear. Thumbs up because you're smart. And that's it for now. Adios.